last left our intrepid explorers, they were in search of their lost associate in the wildest depths of the Congo.
Damn it, Jeeves. We've been wandering for days and haven't turned up hide nor hair on withers. Listen, Colonel, up in the tree. Good Lord, man. Withers, no.
That was a leech on my foot. The blood, that was a leech. Tony said it's not poisonous, so I'm not worried about it. This is the jungle of Sumatra. We're looking for orangutans and what else? What other animals? Monkeys? Monkey, orangutan.
Wet-handed gibbon.
What?
Wet-handed gibbon. Wet-handed gibbon. Wet-handed gibbon.
Wet-handed gibbon.
Yeah.
That's the monkey, right?
Yeah.
The white on the chest.
Yeah. And the big bird, rhinoceros hornbill.
Okay, yeah. So we're hunting for these guys. We got shotguns in our bags. We're gonna try to get some dinner.
Yeah, my name is Tony. I'm the jungle guide.
Hello, Tony.
Hello, Tony.
Apa kabar?
It's fine. Bagus.
Good, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for your help today.
Okay.
Thanks for these beautiful fruits.
Okay. Called the rambutan.
Rambutan, yeah? Okay, like orangutan.
Yes. And looking for the orangutan later.
Later.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we having lunch soon? I'm a bit hungry.
Sorry?
Lunch?
Later.
Yeah, later?
Later on 12 o'clock.
Okay, cool.
Hello, my name is Rene. I'm here on a 3-day trip to the Sumatran jungle with our guide Tony and with Peter. This is the first day here. We're still not so exhausted. Maybe tomorrow we are very exhausted after the night in the jungle when the dangerous animals are coming and all. Yeah, but it's great here. Wonderful.
Tony, you find any orangutan yet?
Not yet. I just find inside there and the jungle toilet there.
Jungle toilet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about with that.
Check the food here.
Yeah.
For the check rest, not lunch here.
Yeah, nasi goreng.
No, later.
Later.
This for the fruit.
I get hungry very early in the day. My metabolism, Tony, keeps moving so quickly, you know? I eat, I never put on weight.
To take it.
Yeah, good.
Good.
Lots of bananas, yeah. Tony, in America, when someone goes crazy, we say you go in bananas. You say that here, Indonesia?
Pisang.
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 If someone's crazy, you don't say bananas, you say pisang. Okay. So,
7 days trekking.
7 days.
Yes.
7 days, I need a car, air condition, you know.
Man, and it's good. This is nature. It's really beautiful jungle there, and nice river, and the jungle is very big. It's tropical jungle there.
Yeah. I like the jungle. I like to sit back and watch the jungle, but I like to watch it on Discovery Channel, you know, on television. Sit home and relax. Yeah, easy. This is very nice fruit here. This is passion fruit, yeah? But it's big, different. What do you think of that fruit?
It tastes good, but it looks very ugly.
It's alright.